So good afternoon, children. So in our first units, our topic is system of units. Already discussed about system of units. So there is in ancient days three types of systems: CGS system, FES system, and the MKS system. According to these three systems, there is three fundamental quantities: mass, length, and time. In previous days, throughout the world, due to globalization, so more than three fundamental quantities are required. So at 1960, International System of Units is proposed by our world. According to SI system, there is seven fundamental quantities. Okay? That seven fundamental quantities are already discussed in previous classes. So, in seven fundamental quantities, first one is mass, length, time, and electric current, thermodynamic temperature, substance, quantity of substance, and luminous intensity. So that is seven are fundamental quantities in SI system. Okay. So now, another quantity is supplementary quantities. Okay. So in fundamental quantities, according to SI system, there is seven fundamental quantities. Okay. And supplementary quantities are two types. Okay. So in supplementary quantities, first one is plane angle. Okay. So two-dimensional angle, plane angle. So plane angle. Okay. So this another one is solid angle. Solid angle. So there is two supplementary fundamental quantities. These are mostly important in mathematics. Okay. So plane angle. So unit of plane angle. So this unit is radian. So radian. And unit of solid angle. So unit of solid angle is steradian. Okay. So unit of plane angle is radian and unit of solid angle is steradian. Okay. So symbol, radian symbol. Symbol RAD. This is symbol of radian. And the symbol of steradian is SRD, steradian. Okay. This is the two-dimensional angular displacement. This is the three-dimensional displacement. Okay. So, according to SI system, there is seven fundamental quantities and extra two supplementary quantities. Okay. The two supplementary quantities are plane angle and solid angle. So unit of plane angle is radian, unit of solid angle is steradian. So symbol of radian is RAD and symbol of steradian is SRD. Okay, these are the main supplementary quantities in SI system. Next, otherwise, so derived quantities. So derived quantities. Okay. So our topic is derived quantities. So in our physics, according to SI system, okay. So seven fundamental quantities are there and two supplementary quantities are here. Okay. Except these 7 plus 2, 9 quantities. Except these 9 quantities, remaining all physical quantities in physics are derived quantities. Except these total 9 quantities. The remaining all physical quantities are derived quantities. Already to define derived quantities. What is derived quantities? The physical quantity does not depend on the other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Okay. The physical quantities does not depend on the other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities like mass, length, time. But some physical quantities derived from another fundamental quantities or the physical quantities derived from another physical quantities or the physical quantities depend on other physical quantities are called derived quantities. Okay. So what are they? So first one is the first one. So serial number. Okay. Name of the quantity. Name of the quantity. Okay. So formula. In the units. See the other table. Okay. So in this table, okay, first one. So speed. Speed is a physical quantity. Okay. Speed is a physical quantity. What is speed? Speed is defined as the rate of change of distance or the rate of distance, nothing but speed. So speed equals to distance by time. So distance by time. So speed is nothing but distance by time. Here unit. So distance. So what is the unit of distance? Meter. So in SI system or in MK system, so unit of distance is meter and unit of time is second. So here unit to meter. Meter by second. So meter by second. So speed is the derived quantity. Speed is the derived from distance and time. So speed is nothing but the rate of distance. So distance, unit of distance is meter and unit of time is second. So meter by second is the unit of speed. Okay. Next one. Second one. Second one, velocity. So velocity. So velocity nothing but displacement by time. Displacement by time. Okay, velocity nothing but displacement by time. So unit of displacement is meter by unit of time is second. So the right quantity of velocity, its formula is displacement time and its unit is meter by second. So speed is the derived quantity and velocity is the other derived quantity. Okay. So now derived quantities. So serial number. Okay. The name of the quantity formula unit. So this is our required table. Okay. So in this table, number 3. So number 3, momentum. Momentum. So momentum is the mass times of its velocity, or the product between mass and velocity. Here, mass into velocity. Okay. So momentum P equals to mv. Okay. So unit of mass is kg, kilogram, and unit of velocity meter by second. So kg meter by second is the unit of momentum in SI system. Okay. Next one, fourth one, acceleration. So acceleration. The acceleration is defined as the rate of change in velocity. Okay. So the rate of change in velocity, which means change in velocity by time. So change in velocity by time. Okay. So change in velocity means velocity. So velocity units meter by second, and the time, so meter by second square. Okay. So acceleration is the derived quantity which is derived from change in velocity and the time. So acceleration is the derived quantity. The unit of acceleration is meter by second square. Other one, 5. Force. Okay. The force, mass into acceleration. The mass into acceleration. Okay. So mass into acceleration. So what is the unit of mass? Kg. So what is the unit of acceleration? So here acceleration. Acceleration is meter by second square. So meter by second square. Okay. Kg meter by second square is the derived unit of force. Okay. Next one. Impulse. Impulse. Okay. So impulse is nothing but force into time. Force into time. So already unit of force is kg meter by second square. This is also called Newton. Also called Newton. Okay. So here impulse. The formula of impulse, force into time. Okay. So impulse is the derived quantity which is derived from force and time. So force into time equals to impulse. Okay. So force, this is the force. Force Newton. Time seconds. So Newton second. Newton second is the derived unit of impulse. Okay. So Newton second is the derived unit of impulse. Next, energy. The energy. Energy mg h. Here m means mass of the body, g is acceleration due to gravity, h is the height from the ground. So energy, that is potential energy, energy equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity into height, mgh. Okay, here mass, so mass in kg. Okay, acceleration due to gravity, here acceleration meter by second square, meter by second square into height. Height means distance, meters. Okay, so kg meter by second square into meter. So meter into meter, meter square. So kg meter square by second square. That also called joule. Okay, here unit of force is kg meter by second square. That also called Newton. As well, energy kg meter square by second square also is equals to joule. So these are all in derived quantities. Okay. So this is the name of the quantity, its dependent formula and its units. Okay. So here's next one is number 8, work. So work is one of the derived quantity. So work formula, force into displacement. Displacement. Okay. So force Newton. Newton into meter. Newton meter. Okay. So this is W equals to force into displacement. So unit of force is Newton and displacement is meter. This is also written as F equals to MA into S. Okay. In this formula, mass in kg. Okay. This is the acceleration. Acceleration meter by second square. Meter by second square. This is the displacement. So